back to the channel. So on today's video, we are going to learn about Libra rising sign. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Libra rising is pleasant and nice to be around. Charisma, charisma, charisma is their middle name. They attract people to them easily with their charming demeanor and gentle take on life. You think their relationship would be smooth sailing. This isn't always the case. Many times Libra ascendant will have many problems in your personal relationship. Despite this, they don't like to be alone. They really don't know what to do with themselves. If their partner isn't with them, they often will do anything to preserve a relationship, because not only they do not want to be alone, they do not like conflict. At the same time, in time of conflict, Libra ascendant will meet the challenge at the sum. Libra ascendant usually looks good. They know the best way to walk, dress their hair, and what color suits them best. They like physical comfort, personal luxuries, and anything that is pleasing to the sense. This ascendant can be very persuadable, preferring to use a soft shell when they want to influence others rather than a heavy hand. They have a tendency to pass blame when they can, so they can keep up that image of being nice. They make a wonderful meditators and are very accommodating. Libra rising is attracted to those who are competent and active. They may argue a lot or compete with their partner until they learn it is okay to be just themselves. They can appear learned even if they are not. Libra ascendant is usually a fan of arts, music and literature. They may have their own creative and artistic talent as well that reach beyond their appearance. When they though are friendly, they may appear emotionally detached and shallow if they sense an imbalance around them. They can get upset, demanding and even bossy until they feel all is in balance again. Libra ascendant is usually polite. Some may see them as insecure. That isn't necessarily true. Feel most comfortable when they can grease the wheels to balance and harmony. Libra rising is romantic and gracious. It is difficult to say no to this ascendant. On the negative side, Libra ascendant can be antisocial, rude or shy. They may be vain and obsessed with remaining young no matter the cost. They may be terribly indecisive. They may be stronger than you think. They may come across as soft, but behind that silly exterior, the wall of iron. They are good at getting their own way through diplomacy. Libra rising is a social butterfly and they may have many friends and acquaintances. For all this, they can't help but to see themselves through the eyes of others. This causes them undue amount of worry that they don't come across their best at all times. At the same time, Libra Libra rising has an amazing ability to reflect others back at themselves. They have a tendency to try to be all things to all the people, which can make some people wonder if they have an option to call their own. So, if you love this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay safe, get vaccinated. I'll show people in another video. Chalo.